Are you dreaming of retiring somewhere safe, modern, and full of life? What if we told you there's a country where healthcare is world-class, the streets are spotless, and the weather is warm all year round? Well, thousands of Americans are already moving there, and it's not what you'd expect. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the top reasons why Americans are retiring in Singapore in 2025, a nation known for its safety, luxury, and incredible quality of life. From healthcare to culture, Singapore offers everything retirees could wish for. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel and lifestyle insights every week. So let's get started. 1. World-class healthcare system. Singapore offers one of the best healthcare systems in the world, making it an attractive choice for American retirees. With advanced hospitals, highly trained doctors, and efficient healthcare infrastructure, retirees can expect excellent medical care at reasonable costs compared to the U.S. The country's healthcare system is consistently ranked among the top globally, ensuring quick access to specialists and state-of-the-art treatments. Moreover, the government's strict regulations maintain high hygiene and medical standards. Many retirees appreciate the peace of mind that comes from living in a country where health emergencies are handled efficiently and modern medical services are easily available. 2. Safety and low crime rate. Singapore is known as one of the safest countries in the world, which is a major reason Americans are choosing to retire there in 2025. Violent crime is extremely rare, and strict laws help keep neighborhoods peaceful and well-ordered. Retirees can comfortably walk around the city, even late at night, without fear. The government maintains a strong sense of discipline and public order, which ensures citizens and expatriates alike enjoy a secure lifestyle. For retirees seeking a calm and stable environment where personal safety is never a concern, Singapore stands out as an ideal destination to enjoy a peaceful retirement. 3. Clean and green environment. Singapore is often called the Garden City because of its lush greenery, pristine streets, and eco-friendly urban design. The government enforces strict cleanliness standards, ensuring public spaces remain spotless. Retirees appreciate the clean air, beautifully landscaped parks, and peaceful walking trails spread across the island. The city's focus on sustainability and environmental care makes it ideal for those seeking a refreshing lifestyle. From the botanic gardens to the waterfront promenades, nature blends seamlessly with modern architecture. For retirees coming from crowded or polluted cities, Singapore's clean and green atmosphere offers both relaxation and rejuvenation in their golden years. 4. High quality of life. Singapore offers an exceptional quality of life, ranking among the top globally for comfort, efficiency, and services. Its world-class infrastructure, organized transportation, reliable electricity, and water systems make everyday living effortless. Retirees enjoy a stress-free environment supported by excellent public amenities, efficient banking, and a vibrant expat community. From modern condos to healthcare access and fine dining, Singapore ensures a comfortable lifestyle. The country's political stability and transparent governance also add to the sense of security. For many American retirees, it's the perfect mix of luxury, convenience, and order, allowing them to focus on enjoying life rather than worrying about daily hassles. 5. English as an official language. Language barriers are a major concern for retirees moving abroad, but not in Singapore. English is one of the country's official languages and is widely spoken in daily life, from hospitals to government offices. This makes communication, transactions, and social interactions smooth and stress-free for American retirees. All road signs, legal documents, and healthcare information are available in English, ensuring clarity and convenience. The ease of integration into local society makes Singapore a comfortable place for those who don't wish to learn a new language. For Americans, it feels familiar yet refreshingly different, offering both cultural diversity and linguistic comfort. 6. Efficient public transportation. Singapore's transportation system is among the most efficient and modern in the world. The MRT, Mass Rapid Transit, network connects all major parts of the island, making it easy for retirees to travel without needing a car. Buses, trains, and taxis are punctual, clean, and affordable. The infrastructure is designed to be senior-friendly, with accessible stations, elevators, and comfortable waiting areas. For retirees used to expensive car maintenance and long drives, Singapore's public transit system is a dream. It allows them to explore the city, visit friends, and attend events conveniently while saving money and avoiding transportation-related stress. 7. Multicultural and welcoming society. Singapore is a cultural melting pot of Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Western influences, making it one of the most diverse societies in Asia. Americans retiring here appreciate the open-mindedness, tolerance, and harmony that define Singaporean life. The multicultural atmosphere allows retirees to enjoy a blend of cuisines, traditions, and festivals throughout the year. The large expat community also provides social opportunities and support networks for newcomers. Singapore's friendly locals and cosmopolitan vibe make it easy for retirees to feel at home. This cultural richness ensures that every day feels exciting, offering endless opportunities to learn and engage with different cultures. 8. Stable economy and strong currency. Singapore's economic stability is another major attraction for American retirees. The country's strong currency, low inflation, and well-regulated financial systems ensure their savings remain secure. As a global financial hub, Singapore offers excellent investment opportunities and a safe banking environment. Retirees can live comfortably without worrying about economic uncertainty or fluctuating prices. The cost of living is manageable for those with decent retirement funds, and the financial transparency adds confidence. With no corruption and a pro-business climate, retirees can focus on leisure and well-being rather than financial risks, making Singapore one of the most economically reliable places to retire. 9. Modern housing and comfort. Singapore's housing options are modern, secure, and built with quality standards. From luxurious condominiums to cozy serviced apartments, retirees can choose accommodations that suit their needs and budgets. Many residential complexes include gyms, pools, and gardens, providing comfort and community interaction. Safety systems, accessibility features, and maintenance services make living worry-free. For Americans used to spacious and comfortable homes, Singapore's housing offers high convenience with a touch of elegance. The well-planned urban design ensures proximity to healthcare, shopping, and entertainment. With a focus on quality living spaces, retirees can enjoy both privacy and an active, social lifestyle. 10. Travel hub of Asia. Singapore's strategic location makes it a perfect base for retirees who love to travel. Changi Airport, voted the best in the world, connects easily to destinations across Asia, Europe, and Australia. Retirees can explore nearby countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam in just a few hours. The ease of travel and visa-free access to many Asian nations make it ideal for adventure-loving retirees. Whether it's weekend getaways or longer cultural trips, Singapore's position as a global hub provides endless opportunities for exploration. For Americans who dream of an active and travel-filled retirement, Singapore offers both comfort and global connectivity.